Dino Debari Life Stories. It's raining.
Wow! It's raining! Wow!
Chorogi likes rainy days the most.
Look at the water!
The rain makes him sing in delight.
Rain, rain! Maybe I should go see what my friends are doing. Woohoo! Rain, 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 rain.
It was then Debari, completely soaking wet, came to see Chorogi. He was in tears.
Debari! Why are you crying? Why are you so wet? Come on!
I was coming to play with you, and I slipped in the rainwater.
Oh, it hurt. Oh, so wet.
Debari pointed at his injured knee.
Oh, I can't even walk.
Oh no! It must have hurt a lot!
I also ran into a utility pole.
Oh, ow, my head. Oh,
Debari pointed at his swollen forehead.
I look horrible.
Oh! You have a bump there! Looks like mine!
I also nearly ran into a motorcycle while turning a corner.
Whoa.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Debari, sobbing, told Chorogi all about the things that happened to him on his way over.
What? That must have been close! Oh, man!
I hate rainy days. I slip, get hurt, and it's really dangerous. I really hate rainy days.
Horrible.
Debari said in anger, stomping his feet
Whoa.
around.
Whoa, watch it, Debari!
I hate it.
Oh! Debari! Wear rain boots when it's raining! It won't be slippery!
Chorogi handed him a pair of tough boots
Whoa.
that wouldn't slip even in the rainwater.
Golden boots.
Wow! These are so cool!
Wow, fashionable. Whoa, thanks, man.
Debari, when it's raining, use this clear umbrella! You'll be able to see ahead of yourself!
Chorogi handed him a
Oh.
convenient umbrella that could be seen through even without having to raise it up high. Wow! This is neat!
I could see the sky. Whoa, thank you. Whoa, so clear.
Debari, when it's raining, wear a raincoat! You'll be very visible! See? Here!
Chorogi handed him a bright colored raincoat that could be seen from miles away. Wow! This is stylish!
With my golden boots, this will look great.
Right?
Wearing and using all of this, I shouldn't have any problem, even in the rain.
Maybe we should go out now!
Sure. Let's go.
Debari and Chorogi played in the water puddle, stomping and splashing happily about.
It's great, even when it's wet.
You're right!
Yeah, splash, take this.
Ow!